Today I'm making a very simple recipe. I'm making chocolate strawberry chia seed pudding. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and putting it in a bowl or a little container. And then I have my chocolate almond milk, and I'm going to use half a cup of that. You can use any milk that you'd like instead, or you can even use water. So I'm going to put this right in here. And then you just stir it up, and then you let it sit for maybe about 10 minutes and give it another stir, and let it start soaking up, because the chia seeds will thicken up a little bit. But this one is going to go in the fridge because I made one the other day, and I'll show you what that looks like. So it becomes really thick like this. And so this one is ready to eat. I'm just going to add a little bit of strawberries. I've already got them chopped up. I'm going to try to get them in the bowl. No promises. And then I have a little bit of leftover chocolate chips, and I'm going to add a few of those. And then it is ready. Very good.